What measures has the EPA developed in response to the Supreme Court ruling?
Well, we talked about the light-duty vehicle rule.
Yeah.
I will tell you in the mobile source area, we're also looking at light-duty vehicle rule 2, which is the light-duty vehicle rule looks at what kind of fleets and how efficient they should be between 2012 to 2016. We're also looking and working with the car industry, with California, with the Department of Transportation, so we can think about a continued national program, 2017 to 2025. We're now looking at heavy-duty vehicles. We have a proposal out that will soon be finalized that look at opportunities for greenhouse gas reductions as well as fuel economy in our larger trucks, which is very exciting. There are many opportunities, and in fact, that's one that the truck industry has embraced as well. So we have another success story in the offing. On the stationary source side, which is about industry, we are also looking at opportunities to phase in greenhouse gas permitting in those facilities. As you might guess, greenhouse gas permitting is a challenge. It's a challenge because it's the first time that industries are going to be asked to look at this issue. The good news is that we've found a way to reduce the number of permits that would have to issue. We have actually taken 6 million facilities and told them not to worry about it for a while, and we're focusing on just the largest facilities. Greenhouse gas permitting actually began for the largest facilities that are already in the process of looking at their other traditional pollutants for permitting purposes on January 2nd of this year. Nothing happened. No big boom happened. We're working with those companies. We've actually issued permits that include greenhouse gas standards. We've issued guidance documents to the state, made sure we were ready that would be able to issue those permits. Greenhouse gases won't be holding anything up. But I think, Joe, the really interesting thing about greenhouse gases is that it's all about efficiency. And what we saw was that unlike some of the other pollution challenges where we're looking at large capital costs for end-of-pipe controls, that will be great and are cost-effective over time. What greenhouse gas permitting requires is for you to look at opportunities for efficiency. So it's about how do we better design our facilities to be efficient from the get-go. And so in the end, it may end up being a little more capital cost because you're designing more effectively, you're making sure that you have highly efficient buildings and systems and pumps. But in the end, it could be a tremendously successful way to grow industries in a sustainable way because their operating costs will be significantly lower. The demands on energy will be significantly lower. Prices for products should be significantly lower. And we're building an economy where jobs can be more sustainable. So it's very exciting. And I don't think people realize that greenhouse gas permitting could present a tremendous opportunity for us.